Code C, part 9 of 9, pin, create a new file, select model template, select unit millimeter, enter the name, pin, click OK, create a sketch, select YZ plane, click OK, draw the profile for our revolve, start from the origin, enter 9 mm, angle 0 degree, enter 38 mm, angle 90 degree, enter 1.5 mm, angle 180 degree, enter 15 mm, angle 90 degree, enter 7.5 mm, angle 180 degree, close the sketch. Finish the sketch, select revolve, specify the vector, select the line 6 of our sketch, click OK, select chamfer, enter the distance 2 mm, angle 45 degree, select this side and this side, click OK, right click, orient view to trimetric, save the file, close, all part. This completes code C part 9 of 9 pin.